domestic work for people who are for Arabo. They call them Arabu house. And my wife want to toss in lorry, then go shoot for una head.
So happy new week, ẹ̀yin wa lápá bí. Video kan trend láti àná, alẹ́ àná ni mo rí. Ìlúmọ̀ọ́ká òṣèrébìnrin kan, Laide Bakare tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ dáadáa. Òun ló ṣe video yẹn, ó fi sórí Instagram ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ lòdì sí Laide Bakare lórí video tó ṣe yẹn. Even under comment section video yẹn, mo ka a lot of comments táwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi sí. Ṣùgbọ́n lérò tèmi, àìfẹ̀lẹ̀ kébù sí òun ni ò jẹ́ kárẹ́ ní bá ní jó. Ibo sí o, kì í ṣe téèyàn ń jó sí. Ṣùgbọ́n téèyàn bá fẹ̀lẹ̀ kébù sí, èèyàn á rí èèyàn báyàn jó. Èmi fẹ́ ní contrary opinion tó yàtọ̀ díẹ̀. Ó ń ṣe pé ó yàtọ̀ púpọ̀ o, ó yàtọ̀ díẹ̀ sí ohun táwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn kan lè má tí rí fídíò Laide Bakare yẹn. Ó ń sọ nípa àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń jápa, you know, this is jápa era. Everybody wants to leave Nigeria to the situation country wa. So she was talking about Nigerians that are traveling to countries like Egypt, Cairo, Libya, and some other African countries. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín, gbàgbó sí yẹn pọ̀ látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn sí Laide Bakare. Fáwọn tí wọn ò bá tí rí fídíò yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ play ẹ̀ ná. Tí bá play video yẹn tán, mo ń padà bọ̀ wá sọ nǹkan kan àbí méjì lórí ẹ̀.
Let's talk about something very important. Okay, so as you all know, right now in America, California long baby. So I saw some very interesting videos online about child trafficking, human trafficking, not even child, because most of the stories I found out about are stories of young adults and adults and very grown up people. So this is the question, and this is my worry. Number one worry is that no, these people know what they are actually going for, and they went there intentionally, on purpose, for greener pasture. Emma, don't scroll, don't scroll. Important information one, no, because I'm so fun. Now, Emma, they go carry. Okay, make I speak pidgin so that I don't have to be either Yoruba or English, but make I talk for pidgin so that I go stay in between. So for Nigeria, when I go carry your bag, go America, not America. Sorry, America says go see me. When I go carry your bag, go Libya, go Egypt, go Mali, go Cairo. You know all these other African countries, it might be back in my lobby. So now, if you convert the money to one solo share for housekeeping, most especially, I think most people that travels there is majorly for housekeeping. You don't so for because can you see me? Maybe 100,000 naira domestic work for people who are for Arabo. They call them Arabu house. And my wife want to toss in lorry, then go shoot for una head. They will not pay you. You will be working. So you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there. Just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animals. Nigerians. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to have grown-ups. I don't need domestic staff. I'll be teaching my children. Oh yeah, when you wake up, make bed, make your breakfast, do your thing by yourself. Me, America, let me show you. See, Sherry is very serene, it's very quiet, you do your things by yourself. If I go to anywhere like this, I will drive to the mall, to supermarket, I will do my shopping, I will come home, I will take my things, I will put them in fridge. I'll make my breakfast, I'll make my food. Teba moya ton jẹ ní gbogbo àwọn countries tán tí máa lọ ń ṣe domestic work. But lè ṣe ní Nigeria, prefer kí yà lọ jẹ yín in another country. Wá díẹ̀ máa ṣe báyìí pé, yeah, mo ṣètò láti lóyìnbó, mo ṣe me. Please let me see your comments. Let me see your comment. Drop comment on that post. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi nígbà wo mo sì máa ṣe content lórí ẹ̀ gan. Prefer kó máa lọ lóyìn bí animal ńbẹ̀ yẹn. But in Nigeria, Lekki nìkan lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró. If it's not Lekki, you can't stay anywhere. plus lẹ́kì tẹ́sí fẹ́ dúró yẹn náà kò ṣe pé ẹ fẹ́ dúró bí i 2-3 months lè máa ń plan ẹ máa ní plans yín. You see that 21-year-old 30-year-old 29 25 tẹ̀sẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bímọ yẹn àánú yín ṣe mí ẹ jẹ́ tètè gbà ẹ jẹ́ it's all these people. Give me more stories. The reason why people prefer Ibenya to Nigeria lo. Give me more reasons. Kemalola, Mali, Libya, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan. Because of pride. You should take machine Nigeria. I prefer lo machine Benye. Mama treat me be enoko. I need more stories beneath this video. I need more stories. This is weekend. Mo fẹ́ gbádùn ara mi. I need more stories. Mo máa ṣe content lẹ́yìn lórí ó máa pọ̀ gan. That's all. Ṣe máa ń dàbẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn olèmí wà wọ́n wà happy. Àwọn olèmí wà wọ́n wà happy. Bó ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n wà happy. Àwọn tàwa máa struggle pa fẹ́ lọ gbà yín wá. Ẹ̀yin máa dùn pé ẹ wà ń bẹ̀. I rest my case.
Okay, you are welcome back. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Laide Bakare sọ to the controversy nìyẹn. Tẹ́ bá rántí, sometimes last year I was talking about top 5 controversial female Yoruba actors. Ẹ rí wípé Laide Bakare ó wà lára àwọn orúkọ tí mo dá. Torí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá sọ, ó máa always generate issues, ó máa always generate controversies. Nǹkan tó ń sọ ni wípé àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n kúrò ní Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n wá rí better countries lọ. Tó jẹ́ pé Cairo, Egypt àti àwọn other African countries kan bíi Mali ni wọ́n ń lọ tí wọ́n lọ ń ṣe bí ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀. Ó tún wá make mention wípé ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ tó yẹ kán máa ṣe ní Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n ń ṣakọ wípé àwọn ò lè ṣe ni wọ́n wá lọ ń ṣe ní àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè míì. Nǹkan tí mo observe ni wípé Laide Bakare meant well. She actually meant well. Ṣùgbọ́n kò ní àgbékalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. Gbogbo èèyàn kan ló máa ń ní àgbékalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀. She actually meant well. Torí ó kàn jẹ́ pé side kan, angle kan ló gbà wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Because there are 2 sides to a coin. Angle kan lòun gbà wo, and what is the angle ni wípé we have heard a lot of stories about Nigerians who are being maltreated in some other African countries, bí South Africa, bí Mali, bí Egypt, bí Cairo àtàwọn ìlú míì. Most recently, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ Madam Jumoke George tí ó di yam pepper scatter. Ó lè jẹ́ angle yẹn nìkan ṣo lòun gbà wò. It is true, a lot of Nigerians tí wọ́n wà láwọn other African countries bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ìtìjú ni ò jẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì lè padà wálé. Ṣùgbọ́n the other side to it ni wípé àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ń ṣe dáadáa gan ní àwọn African countries yẹn ju bí wọ́n ṣe lè ṣe dáadáa ní Nàìjíríà lọ. That is the fact. Àwọn kan wà tó ń ṣe, because under comment section Laide Bakare yẹn, I saw somebody that commented there. Ó ní Egypt àbí Cairo lòun wà. Ó lóun dẹ̀ ń gba owó tó 800,000 tó bá ṣì sówó Nàìjíríà. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n 800,000 tóun gbà yẹn o, òun ò jẹun nínú ẹ̀ o, òun ò ṣe íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì nínú ẹ̀ o, òun ò dẹ̀ san owó lé. Ọ̀fẹ́ ló ń gbélé, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń tọ́jú òun, ọ̀fìyà jẹ òun. So ní mo ṣe sọ pé there are 2 sides to a coin. Mistake tí Laide Bakare ṣe ni wípé àwọn tí ìyà ń jẹ tọ́jọ́ ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ní abroad àti some other African countries, angle yẹn nìkan ṣo ni Laide Bakare ló gbà wò, and she has always been saying it. Ẹ lè máa kọ̀bí ara sí that she is not a social media person, and it is the truth. Mo ti notice pé she is really not a social media person. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún yín ní illustration kan. Ó dàbí ọmọ tó ń ṣẹ̀ mú wá láti oko. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ìgbé ayé oko ó yàtọ̀ sí ti gboro. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ dé gboro, òun náà ṣáà fẹ́ belong. Ó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan táwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń ṣe ní gboro tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Torí lifestyle tó ń bá bọ̀ láti abúlé ó yàtọ̀. Ó lè máa ṣe àṣejù oge yẹn tàbí kó má ṣe é tó báwọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe. Nǹkan tí mo rò pé ó ń happen pẹ̀lú Laide Bakare nìyẹn. She's not really a social media person, and each time tó bá ti wá sọ̀rọ̀ kan lórí social media lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tó bá sọ, ó máa always generate a lot of controversies. Then another point tó tún make tí mo rí wípé kò really get it right, òun ni aspect ibi tó ti sọ wípé iṣẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ táwọn Nigerians tí wọ́n lọ ń ṣe ní àwọn African countries yẹn, kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè jókòó sí Nàìjíríà kan máa ṣe, wípé most of them wọ́n ń ṣakọ Lẹ́kì nìkan ló fẹ́ jókòó sí. The truth is, ẹ worú ẹni tó lóun gba 800,000 yẹn, Nigerians mélòó ẹjọ́ èló gan ni salary àwọn civil servants ní Nigeria mo sure pé ẹni tó wà ní level 15 mi rò pé basic salary ẹni tó ti highest level ó dà pé 15 náà àbí 16 ní highest level bóyá 17 dẹ̀ ni anybody tó wà ní level yẹn mo mọ̀ pé basic salary ẹ̀ gan kò lè tó iye yẹn tá a bá yọwọ́ àwọn owó tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n máa ń jí o basic salary ẹ̀ ò lè tó yẹn so Nigerians mélòó olówó Nigeria mélòó ló lè san 100,000 fọ́mọ ọ̀dọ̀ lóṣù olówó Nigeria mélòó ló lè san 150,000 fọ́mọ ọ̀dọ̀ fún domestic staff nínú ilé wọn ṣùgbọ́n téèyàn bá wà níbi tí wọ́n ti lè san owó tó tó 500,000 lóṣooṣù 400,000 lóṣooṣù 800,000 lóṣooṣù fún even kó jọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ló ń ṣe ó pè tó bá lọ ṣe níbẹ̀ yẹn ju kó ṣe Nàìjíríà lọ torí gbogbo èèyàn kan ló lè make ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà it is the fact àwọn kan wà kò sí bọ́n ṣe lè ṣe tó they cannot make it in Nigeria ṣùgbọ́n tó bá travel àwọn iṣẹ́ míì wà tó lè máa tì wọ́n lójú láti ṣe ń lé wọ́n á ṣe lájò wọ́n á dẹ̀ make ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan wà nínú àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà náà tán lọ ń jìyà lọ́hùn tó jẹ́ ojú kòkòrò òun ló lé wọn kúrò Nàìjíríà ẹlòmíì ń ṣe dáadáa Nàìjíríà tó ń ṣe dáadáa gan ṣùgbọ́n ojú kòkòrò wípé lágbájá ti travel èmi náà fẹ́ travel ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ti jápa èmi náà fẹ́ jápa òun ló mẹ́lòmíì tó fi ń lọ singbà débi wípé ibi tó tiẹ̀ ti ń singbà gan kò pé ẹ̀ gbogbo wọn kọ́ ló pé o òótọ́ nìkan tí Laide Bakare ń sọ o òun ṣe gbogbo wọn ní travelling yẹn pé o àwọn kan wà kò pé wọn ìtìjú ni ò lè mú wọn padà àwọn kan wà ṣá ó pé wọn and gbogbo wa kọ́ la ní privilege tí irú Laide Bakare ní láti lè decide láti stay in Nigeria and travel anytime she wishes and come back gbogbo wa kọ́ la ní irú privilege bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni tí ò bá ní irú privilege bẹ́ẹ̀ láti make ẹ̀ Nigeria ó ní option láti travel so we cannot blame them for travelling out of Nigeria torí pé wọ́n wá greener pasture we cannot blame them mistake kan ṣo tí mo rò wípé Laide Bakare tó ṣe nìyẹn àwọn ọmọ Nigeria tó ń suffer lọ́hùn ojú òye yẹn nìkan ṣo lòun fi wò ó pé gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n ń suffer àwọn kan dẹ̀ wà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń ṣe dáadáa they are doing very very well tó ń fowó ránṣẹ́ sílé gan tó dẹ̀ ń dáa fún wọn àìmọye àwọn èèyàn ló wà láwọn countries tá à ń sọ yìí tí wọ́n ti kọ́lé ẹyọ kan ilé méjì ẹlòmíì ilé mẹ́ta sí Nàìjíríà tó dẹ̀ ṣì wà lọ́hùn ó mọ tó ń rí lọ́hùn ni òdẹ̀ ń ṣowó nìkan ló mú àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ sá kúrò Nàìjíríà security is another reason táwọn èèyàn fi ń jápa kúrò Nàìjíríà not only because they want to go and make money another reason ni wípé some people see Nigeria gẹ́gẹ́ bí country tí ò ní future tó dáa fáwọn ọmọ wọn so for that reason they may wish to leave Nigeria and go elsewhere tí wọ́n ti rò wípé àwọn lè secure better future fáwọn ọmọ wọn we cannot blame them but by and large Laide Bakare actually meant well kò kàn ní àgbékalẹ̀ dáadáa ni then ojú ìwòye kan ṣo ló fi wò kòró sọ́nà mi although òun náà tún ti wá ṣe another video lẹ́yìn tí àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bá ṣẹ̀ gan ó ti ṣe another video láti correct impression táwọn èèyàn kọ́kọ́ ní lórí video àkọ́kọ́ yẹn ó wá explain ní tóun mean gangan ó explain ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ so video tó fi explain ní nǹkan tó mean yẹn òun ni màá fi end video tèmi yìí màá play ẹ̀ ń sìn ẹ gbọ́ ire o.
So guys, this is going to be a very short video concerning the post I made about the Nigerians traveling to countries like Libya, Egypt, and Mali, and Cairo, and so on for domestic housework. But I don't understand because I saw a lot of reactions. Number one, I'm grateful for people that took their time to explain that. In fact, I saw a comment. Someone said she earned, or he or she, I can't remember now, as much as 800,000 Nigerian money every month. Some, really came through with their stories by explaining that it's far better there when they change the money into Nigerian currency, that it's better and it pays off. And some actually talk about the fact that they have good bosses, that way they don't have problem, that their bosses treat them fine, treat them so good. And some complain about it. So what's the big deal if some people are complaining and they seek help and they couldn't get help, and we're trying to help them down back to Nigeria? And for somebody like us, it was because I'm working on it and I don't know much. But the only question that comes to my head is, a ball. But she be domestic work now in Nigeria. With the more bush man scarce. To bá fẹ́ mú ní táwọn staff ẹ̀ tí domestic staff ilé ẹ̀ bá lọ kó tó rí replacement wá ṣe kó tó jẹ. So it's normal kéèyàn wò wípé but ṣé iṣẹ́ yìí náà kọ́ làwọn ẹlòmíì lọ ń ṣe níta ni. Pé iṣẹ́ ìjókòó lọ ń ṣe in other countries ni. Àdẹ̀gbó oríṣiríṣi stories. So which one is that's so bad about ẹ̀yin kan ẹnu yín bàjẹ́ gan. Mo ṣe mo rí tí táwọn ṣe máa fi ń like comment section ni. Ẹnu yín see comment are still rolling in. Someone say you dey yarn rubbish, someone say ode ni, someone say aunty ode, aunty kini kan. If all these comments are coming from most of you in those countries that I mentioned, you got to buy one but to buy enjoy it. Good luck. Good luck. More grace to your elbow. If you want me to encourage others to do the same thing that you have done, I won't be able to do that because you want to one bit to feel happy. I control that so we can all come back to Nigeria. Taba wa Nigeria, taba she farming, ta shuri opportunity po gan lu ki she farming nìkan. Àìmọye nǹkan la lè ṣe then taba collaborate. Ṣé o most of the time I dash ko ki jẹ́ kí nǹkan yọ. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní pé ọ̀la òun yá tàbàrẹ̀ ní bala or something. So ẹ jẹ́ ká nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa ká má lè bára wa ṣe. To taba fẹ́ tí business ko má fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀, find partners kẹjọ join ara yín kẹjọ bẹ̀rẹ̀. I didn't let my sorrow to you da. I mean well for you. But regardless, I love you guys. I love you so much. And to those of you that booby, some of you, you open your that dirty one, you say, oh, daddy, yeah, and she. How does it even sound? The one time, any man, do man for you enjoy and be. Oh, but I love you still. I love you. But thank you for orientating me. Thank you for orientating me. Thank you for letting me know that and you can a bad way, a like a bear. It's okay. We'll see how it goes. But I want you one bad way. But I want you one complaint. We'll see how it goes. I'll still come back on this matter. On this matter because me lema wo awon eyan mi ki won ma jiya nilu okere ti o da to ilu ti wa. Don't worry. You know I told you that we're just getting started on this issue. I love you. Una go carry your bag, go Libya, go Egypt, go Mali, go Cairo, go, you know, all these other African countries. So now, if you convert the money to one solo share for housekeeping, most especially, I think most people that travels there is majorly for housekeeping. Because maybe 100,000 naira Nigerian money, which some of the stories in Nigerian money. Now, it will be joining a bush in my law. Emma Sahara, Emma Babitu, Emma being Okada, Emma being swamp, Emma being Hagiju. Go, I don't speak Yoruba. Then go, no, sorry, I'll be Yoruba person, so Yoruba will be much more to communicate this kind of communication. But I bet allow me make a mix up because I'm not used to pidgin as well. I'm not used to it. Either my language, it's my native language, or English. So I'm not really used to pidgin, but make I try them. Then go carry una through Sahara, carry una through dangerous bush, dangerous desert area. When I go reach there, now go they pay you salary of 100K, 50K when you convert them to Nigeria for domestic job. Because I actually saw some people that are happy. Hey, Nigeria, along be Iraq, along be Afghanistan, along be war zone. Just because Nigeria. So I figured out we want to laju. Most of them want to in fact, from phone call like this, they will ask you, how many children do you have? They will ask you, they will interview you that you want to hire them. You want to pay them every month. They will be questioning you on the phone. They want to know what size there. Okay, let me give you one very shocking revelation. At a point, I decided that I won't be, hiring and putting domestic staff in my house like that. I live in Lekki. My mom stays on the island. on the mainland. Mainland. If you know Bakare closes in Mushin. So mainland. So I said, okay, but first of all, mom see me to study their character. So that before I bring them to my house. You know, 1 or 2 or 3 of them that I sent to Mushin. That my father's house. That's my family house. And my mom is very nice. She will cook good food. My mother can cook. She will cook good food. She's elderly now. We are celebrating her birthday soon. Our 60th birthday, we are celebrating his son. So most of the time, I send them to my mom's place for, let them work there for some time so that my mom will now recommend. Do you know, domestic staff, they will tell you, I can't work on the mainland. I can only work in Lekki. So stop that. I said, "Ma worry, no problem. I'm not hiring." Because you only want to work in Lekki, you can't work in the mainland. These people, I'm telling you, they can't even stay 2-3 days in the mainland. But they are comfortable to quickly come to your house, bombard your house in Lekki. I'm like, hello, so tell me about Lekki. They get domestic staff. So they will now ask you, how many children do you have? What time they will be? And they are not in the association, they have association, one group, a meeting. So when to get to the meeting, they will even teach themselves. Oh, I'm speaking too much Yoruba. Sorry, it's like my pidgin is not really. They know how they have groups. So they have meetings. They do meetings maybe twice every month. So, and their boyfriends, they're always in that meeting, even girlfriends. So that is where they will prove that they are fighting for themselves, that they are looking after themselves. In that light, they will be they teach themselves different kind of criminal acts. Oh, when your madam know their house, take rice, take beans, do this, do that. And you people, you feel so comfortable to carry on that self from Nigeria, because I can't imagine Yorubas plenty where they live for all these countries. Say then they do domestic work for people who are for Arabo. They call them Arabu house. And my wife want to toss in lorry, then go shit for una head. They will not pay you. You will be working. So you have sponsor, somebody that will sponsor you there, just because you are so egocentric. Those jobs that are available here in Nigeria, you cannot do it. You prefer to go to Arab country where they will treat you like animals. Nigerians. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to have grown-ups. I don't need domestic staff. I'll be teaching my children. Oh yeah, when you wake up, lay bed, make your breakfast, do your thing by yourself. Me, America, let me show you. See, Sherry is very serene, it's very quiet, you do your things by yourself. If I go to anywhere like this, I will drive to the mall, to supermarket, I will do my shopping, I'll come home, I'll take my things, I'll put them in fridge. I'll make my breakfast, I'll make my food. Teba mo yato nje ni gbogbo àwọn countries ton ti ma lo nse domestic work. But le ṣe ní Nigeria, prefer ki ya lọ jẹ yin in another country. Wá díẹ̀ ma ṣe báyìí pé mo ṣètò láti lo òyìnbó. Mo ṣe me. Please let me see your comments. Let me see your comment. Drop comment on that this post. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi ní gbà wo mo sì máa ṣe content lórí ẹ̀ gan. Prefer ke ma lo lóyìn bí animal nbe yẹn. But in Nigeria, Lekki nìkan lẹ ti fẹ́ dúró. If it's not Lekki, you can't stay anywhere. Give me more stories. The reason why people prefer ibẹ̀ yẹn ju Nigeria lọ. Give me more reasons. Ke ma lọ Mali, Libya, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, because of pride. Iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kẹ́ máa ṣe Nigeria, prefer lọ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n máa treat yín bí ẹranko.